Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Only's World Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for January 29th through February 10th. For February 29th to February 2nd period, the pattern change will occur as a cold front exits the East Coast, and then following behind that, we have to look into Asia. Let me see if I can get the map. And Asia shows this ridge here building across northern Asia, and this will lead to the eventual placement of a ridge in the east with a trough. Well, the ridge near Asia or Eastern Asia favors a trough here in the east, and then we'll teleconnect with a ridge in the west. We also have positive heights anomalies here across Alaska, the north, and the high latitudes, and the North Atlantic. And the models are good agreement with this. We're going through the days here. Also taking a look at the weeklies. Shows the pattern pretty well. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting. Oh, wait a minute. I got to go to the other part of the forecast. The temperatures across much of the nation will be variable from warm to cold, especially in the east. And the one area that will be consistent will be the southeast with above normal temperatures. And then again in the east, after a brief cool down, above normal temperatures will return ahead of a Pacific system moving through the plains and eventually reaching the east late next week. The northwest will experience rounds of precipitation. Organized precipitation is forecast east of the Appalachians, and wintry precipitation will be a threat for much of the Midwest, the Northeast, the Mid-Atlantic, and possibly portions of the Southeast. February 1st to the 5th. Here we are here. Okay, here's the first. We still have our positive height. Here we are at the first. We'll go at it again. Still have positive height anomalies here and here. We have upper low here across north of Hudson Bay, extending with above normal height, below normal heights, with a trough extending into the Northern Rockies, upper Mississippi Valley, to the Great Lakes. And then we go to the end of the period. This will be the 5th. You see we have a trough here, the Northeast. And then we take a look at the rest of the models. They're in pretty good agreement. So for this forecast period, now I can show you the temperature pattern. We have above normal temperatures here. And that'll be anomalies of 10 degrees or more. And we have below normal temperatures for this region here. And that will be anomalies of up to 6 degrees below normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here. And the probability of occurrence is 40 to 55%. Above normal precipitation forecast for this region here. Probability of occurrence is 40 to 55%. Now we're going to take a look at the period for February 6th to the 10th. Gotta move this over a little bit. Here we are at the 6th to the 10th. Strong positive height anomalies are forecast here across western North America. And we have our upper low still here near over Hudson Bay. That sinks a little further south. And then we have a trough here that extends from the upper Mississippi Valley to the northeast. And some of the models weaken this positive height anomalies here across the North Atlantic, and we'll take a look at that. And we're here at the 6th. We go to the 10th. You can see here weakens. This is the GFS ensembles. Look, even it's replaced by negative height anomalies. Then we look at the European ensembles. Still has weak positive height anomalies across the North Atlantic, but below normal here. And then we take a look. Let's see. That's the wrong map there. So you got the general gist. Like the pattern changes a little bit. So I think for this forecast period, this favors more cold spreading eastward. We still have above normal temperatures here, and forecast anomalies of 4 to 8 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures are forecast here, portions of the northeast and mid-Atlantic, and we'll have temperature anomalies of 4 to 8 degrees below normal for precipitation. Forecasting below normal precipitation for this region here. Probability of occurrence is 45 to 55%. Above normal temperatures are above normal precipitation is forecast for the northwest. Probability of occurrence is 45%. And we have above normal precipitation forecast for this region here. Probability of occurrence is 40 to 55%. So that's the long range weather forecast discussion for January 29th to February 10th. Thanks for coming to Jim on this World of Weather, and have a good day.